Yo, what's up guys? In this quick video we will learn how to make this really cool looking glitch text effect in After Effects, and yeah, it's basically just one effect. It's super simple, but I think it would look really good on edits or montages or yeah, any title glitch animations that you can think of. But yeah, let's go right into it. So let's actually delete everything which is on here, and yeah, now we just have a blank text layer. And yeah, basically we just need one effect for this one, which is the scatter effect, which you can just type it in here or find under stylize. But yeah, just apply this on the effect, and now we can already see if we change the amount, we get this cool effect. But we only want it to work in one direction, so let's change the grain type from both to horizontal. And yeah, you can already see this looks cool. And now we just have to animate this. So let's go to the beginning and put in 0 in here, then go forward like 1.5 seconds or 1 second, and put in a quite high value in here. So yeah, I'll just go with something like 400 maybe, or 500 even. Yeah, this looks good. And yeah, let's open this up, open up the effect, and let's just duplicate this keyframes a few times. So let's just Control C them and Control V them a few times, just like this. And let's make sure the end is 0 again. So yeah, now we have this super cool looking effect. And I think especially with this background, another color would look good. So we can also add a fill effect, just like this. And this already has a really strong red, and I think this just looks really good. Of course, if we want, we can also put in a little fade in, so we can press T on the keyboard for opacity or transparency and bring this down to 0 at the beginning, and then go forward a bit and bring this up to 100. And the same thing with the end. Let's just put in a keyframe at 100 and go to the exact end and bring it down to 0. And yeah, I think this looks really cool. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.